SwissBorg just dropped a huge update, and if you're already using the app or thinking about getting started, now it's more worthwhile than ever. The new cashback system is here, there's a revamped ranking model, massive app improvements, and I'm going to show you what's new, what the update has brought, and what's coming in the future. If you want to try out SwissBorg yourself, I've put my partner link for you down in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a bonus of up to 50 euros in Bitcoin, and you'll start right away at silver rank. That means you'll get cashback right from the start. But now, let's get to what's new. But a quick disclaimer. My channel is not financial advice, it's purely for informational purposes. Probably the biggest change is that the old premium system is now gone. SwissBorg has completely replaced it with a new loyalty ranking system with a cashback feature, and it's not just cosmetic, it's a real game changer. Instead of fixed premium tiers, there are now dynamic ranks that depend on your trading volume and engagement. The higher your rank, the higher your cashback. You can get back up to 90% of the fees in BORG tokens. The system is supported by an annual buyback program of $15 million. This means SwissBorg buys back BORG from the market to fund the cashback rewards. This naturally creates a positive cycle, a flywheel, which according to Excel Fasel even works when users sell their rewards, because more volume means more fees, which means more buybacks, which means more rewards. In short, you now get paid for trading, and at the same time, the model strengthens both the token and the ecosystem. This is the definition of pay to trade. Secondly, the performance ranking has been completely revamped. You can now immediately see your actual portfolio in the app, the money-weighted return for your bundles, and for your managed portfolios. That sounds technical, but it simply means you finally see your real return, so what you have actually earned or lost, taking your deposits and withdrawals into account. This is a huge step towards transparency, especially for long-term users or smart yield investors. Thirdly, a lot has also changed under the hood. The Meta Exchange, which is the aggregation system that collects prices from over 30 centralized exchanges as well as decentralized exchanges, has been made more stable, as was evident on October 10th. SwissBorg has really worked on performance, especially during stressful market phases. On top of that, there were small but meaningful UI optimizations, faster loading times, and better visualization. Let's sum it up. SwissBorg has done more in the past few months than many exchanges have done in an entire year. The new cashback system with a real buyback flywheel, which not only supports you with cashback but ultimately also benefits the BORG token. Then there's better performance tracking of returns and a more stable infrastructure in the Meta Exchange. All of this makes the entire app much more transparent, fairer, and above all, more rewarding for active users. If you want to see my full tutorial on SwissBorg, I'll link it here for you now. Have fun with it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.